Hey, what's up, folks? How's it going? So, yesterday we have discussed about dictionaries, Python dictionaries, basically it stores key value pair. For example, here we have student dictionary, name is key, Amit is value. So, key value pair is storing. And we also discussed how we can access this dictionary element. Like, for example, a student name, it will print on it. Student age, it will print 20. And we can update also. Student age equal to 30, then we can change the student age. We can access the value using dictionary name and key. Key is name. We can also access using get. Okay. Sometimes we will be using get. Why? Because, for example, if nothing is there, if for this grade is not there in present, it's not present here, right? So it will throw error. It will crash. So in that case, we can say default value. We can say that if it is not present, return not available or return zero. That we can do. Now let's go to the problem I've given yesterday. Hope you guys have tried it, a word frequency counter. So let's type it out. Sentence. You should always type it out. Then only you will develop that muscle memory. Uh, Today is cold. It is really cold today, or something like that. Here, this today and this today we want to count as same word. Means the today the count should be two. Frequency should be two. But here T is uppercase, so we need to change this sentence to lowercase. Sentence dot lowercase. So if I don't remember the exact function name, what I can do, I can run this help function, and this is string, so string, and you will be able to run this help in the your Python editor. Because when you're taking exam, you won't have access to Google or any AI tool, etc. So you'll be able to run this and take the help, and you will refer to the documentation. So this is lower, circle lower, 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 is lower, no, lowercase string, lower, yeah, lower self. So return a copy of the string converted to this, to lowercase. So it will return a copy of the string. So it will be sentence dot lower, and we have to capture that string because it is going to return the copy of it. And let's split this, split. So all the words will be in a list word, and then print it. So here you will see that today is cold comma, okay, and really cold. Cold is also there. Now this two will be treated as a different word. So we need to remove this comma. So how do I do that? I need to uh, remove comma. So sentence dot replace. If you don't remember the function, then you can always you can call that help function. Replace with empty string. This is empty string. It doesn't have anything. So comma will be replaced. Comma will be removed here. If I put some space here, then comma will be replaced by space. Or I can replace by semicolon or something else. Right? But here I just want to remove this comma. Now if I run, cold is there, and here also cold. Both are same. Now then what I will do for word in word list, word in word list, and let me define one dictionary, frequency dictionary. and which is empty, initially empty. I will count and put it. And there will be 4 space or 110. So I will count it. Frequency what? Maybe the first one is today. So frequency today equal to this plus 1. So first time it's not there, but it won't return 0. It will return error. So it will crash. So I cannot use this. So here I have to use get. Why? Because if I use frequency word, the value won't be 0. It will be error. It will return key error hello, so it will crash. So here I'm using get word, and I'm saying if it is not found, if today is not found, return 0. So first time it will return 0 because first time I'm putting it, today is not there, I'm putting it. So first time it will return 0. Right? So check if what is already in frequency. If yes, take its current count. If no, treat it as the count as 0, add 1 to the count. So today will be a 0, 1. And then at the end, then it will return 1 because it won't return 0 because it's written the what is the current value, right? So this is what I'll be using get, and this is pre-dictionary. Okay, and finally I'm going to print it, right? For for the value in frequency it dot items, variable items, but list we don't use these items, and then print them, print key and value. What list not defined? Okay, list what? Yes. So today 2 times is 2 times, code 2 times, eat 1 time, and the daily 1 time. So this is the solution. Now let's go to today's section, today's concept. Today we are going to learn about function we have covered yesterday itself. Function and the problem I'm not going to show because it's pretty straightforward. And anyway, I'm going to share this document to you guys in the WhatsApp, so you can look into that. The function problem was event number counter. So count event numbers. So we have already done this problem many times, and this logic we are going to put inside the function. So for num in numbers, numbers has all the list of numbers. Check the condition whether remainder is 0 or not, and then increase the counter. If it is divisible by 2, means remainder is 0, so it's even number. So increase the counter. Now we'll go to the pattern problem. So I'm just copying it. You can type it. Ideally, you should type it. As I said multiple times, that then only you will remember the pattern and remember all the syntax, etc. So what is trying to do? I in range 1 to 6. So I will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 5, excluding 6. So first time only 1, second 2i, 3i, 4i, 5i, right? So this is what we printed. So your home task will be like what you can do now. Print this in a reverse order, inverted triangle. So how will you do that? Inverted triangle means this range should change, like it should you should start from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So what will the range? It will be 5, here it will be 0, then -1, right? Here it will be -1. 5, 0, -1, something like that. And you can try that out. And now let's go to print inverted triangle, that you will try it out. Number pattern. Now let's see the number pattern. Before that, like what we are going to do here, we are going to print 1, then 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So whatever we mentioned in the range, if we increase range to 10, so it will go up to 10, 10th row, and here also there will be 10 numbers, like up to 9. Okay. So here what we are doing, here there are two loops you can see. One loop is going down actually, like 1, then going to second line printing, third line printing, fourth line, fifth line. Another loop is going horizontal. So for I in range 1, 6, 1 to 5, I is 1, so you are in the first position. Then you have to print this only once because I is 1. Second line, I is 1, 2, means 2. So second row, this J in a loop, it will print 1, 2. So J will be starting from 1 and will go up to I plus 1. Right? It will go I plus 1 because I plus 1 is like 1 we have to remove finally when we are going to print. We have to print the value of, let's say we have to print 2. So here we have to put 3 like that. Uh, what happens if I don't put +1? Okay, I 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. If I put +1, it will go up to 5. 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the first loop is printing all the rows, and second loop is printing from 1 up to 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 based on this I. Right? So that's why it's I plus 1. So this is a kind of nested for loop. So this kind of problem also comes where you need to print triangle 1, 2, 3, 4 or stars or inverted triangle. Now how to print inverted triangle? This one, inverted triangle. And the pyramid example, you can try it out, pyramid. So that's it for today. And I will be sharing these notes in the WhatsApp group.